Alright, here's a late model sports car. High horsepower time. 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Supercharged coupe. Beautiful looking car, black and black. Now, best thing about this car, we know the history of it. One owner car. It's from our area. Actually a customer of ours. It was time to move on to something else. Just wasn't driving this one a whole lot. Decided to get into a different vehicle. Brought this to us, purchased it from him, and is now available for the next owner to enjoy. Now, so one owner, clean Carfax. He bought it brand new. Know where this car has been. It's well taken care of. Oil changes once a year. Receipt stored in the owner's manual. And a little over 3,000 miles on it. So in the 3,000 mile range now. If you want to check out the still pictures, I'm going to tell you where to go check those out at, because look this thing over, look at the underside, interior. This car looks like new. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the website where you can see the still pictures. Feel free to call us too. Don't imagine this one will last too long with the history of it. Phone number 507-386-1726. Of course, underneath the hood, LT4 6.2 liters supercharged V8, putting out 650 horse and the same amount of torque. Now, as you can see, the front of this chin spoiler, not cracked up, damaged front end, very nice shape, not full of rock chips, dings, nicks, scratches of any sort. See the front parking assist camera there on both sides. The bracket, if you wanted to put front license plate on this car, the bracket's still in the plastic in the trunk, as well as everything else that would have came with this is in the trunk. The battery charger, security, netting, the cargo net, all that's in there. This one came with the transparent, removable one-piece roof. I also have that in the back, along with those privacy screens up. And you can see those in the still pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about. Like I said, black and black. Now, this particular one does have the, 8-speed, I believe, automatic paddle shift. So yeah, the automatic would be the 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Of course, you could also see in there the MyLink radio with the 8-inch color touchscreen, navigation, audio controls, everything runs off of that. Magnetic ride control. This does have the dry sump system. Dual power chairs, driver and passenger side. Dual zone automatic climate control. And you can see the RPO codes. If you want to see the options and what this car came with, I got the RPO codes pictured also. RPO codes and all those still pictures, again, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We assist with shipping cars throughout the continental United States. And this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Center dump exhaust. Great sounding cars. Excellent performance. Take a look at the rotors and brake system on these. Front and back. High performance cars. Anybody familiar with these, you know what they are. And remember, phone number, give us a call, 507-386-1726. A few of the other options on this car, and this isn't all of them. I mean, there's a ton of options. Again, you can check out those RPO codes, but you got the heads-up display on this one. Remote vehicle start system. Again, that one-piece transparent roof. So very, very nicely loaded car. And you can see up and down it, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Garaged, well taken care of. Adult owned, adult driven. Bose stereo system. Of course, memory seating, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, all the steering wheel controls, driver's information center. Everything you'd expect on a beautiful one owner Corvette. And you can see what kind of shape these seats are into. They're just like new. A lot of miles and fun to be had in this car. Yep. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Now I'll show you those exact miles. Although if the boss drives it, that may change just a little bit. Over 31. There is 3,142 miles. There's no warning indicators on. Like I said, gentleman's just decided to get into something else. Wasn't driving this one a whole lot. Had it for 3 years or so. Time for a change. Yes, everything in working order. Just the way you'd expect it. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble. And these will bark when you get on them. There's no doubt about that. A lot of performance underneath the hood. Speaking of underneath the hood, I'm going to go ahead and pop this open so we can check out the hood, and we'll take a peek in the trunk too. So hold on 1 second. I'll pause it and be right back. All right, here you go. Corvette LT4, 6.2 liter supercharged V8, 650 horse. No modifications. This car is completely stock. You can see how clean it is underneath here too. Again, what do you expect out of a one owner, a little over 3,000 miles on it? I'm going to slip to the back here a second too. So I'm going to show you everything complete back here also. Transparent one-piece roof. Very nice setup. This car will be stored in our indoor showroom. So this is the way this car will stay. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And remember, if you're located in the continental U.S., we can assist with shipping. Financing is available. Of course, we do consider trades, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.